Hi there, my name is Peter Beekens and I will guide you through this screencast about design-based working in the minor Embrace Technology, Entrepreneurship and Creativity. The minor Embrace Tech has a program that consists of projects, and in each project students work on a challenge. And they work on this challenge according to the design-based working approach. They apply elements of this approach, of the design-based working approach, better and better with increasingly complex challenges. And by measuring and assessing, we support you in design-based working. And with you, I mean the student, and we are the tech experts and the coaches, the teachers. Next, I will explain you more about design-based working first, and then I will explain what I mean by measuring and assessing. First of all, the elements of design-based working. You can read them over here. These are the elements that we use to provide feedback to the students. And this is what we think that is important in the design-based working approach. So these are the working elements. I will give you some time to read them. Okay. Well, students, they apply these elements to the challenges in each project, and they gain new experiences. And with every challenge, a tech expert gives the student feedback on the elements via the viewing framework. Later on in this presentation, I will show you an example of this viewing framework. But basically, this viewing framework consists of the elements that I just showed you in the previous slide. Based on the feedback, the students, they further develop themselves or in the project, and they try out new applications for the next challenge. So it's not only feedback they can use in the current project that they're in, but also in the projects that will follow up. Then about measuring and assessing. We believe that a student should be the owner of his own learning process. Therefore, we should provide them with freedom and responsibility. However, we should give students a continuous flow of feedback up and forwards to guide the student through this process. Well, each project has got a show moment. We call them also measurement moments, because on these moments students show the results of their project and also the results of their design-based working process. And this is the time where teachers give feedback up and forward on these elements of design-based working that I showed you in the previous slide. And they do this by using the viewing framework. The viewing framework looks like this. This is one part, so one of the elements I picked out involving the expected users, and as you can see, there are 3 levels, from expert to beginner. And for each level, it is described what we expect from a student in this level. So take a close look. So hopefully this will give you some insights in working with viewing framework, design-based working. But who is it for? It's not only for the tech masters or the tech experts and the coaches, and also for students, of course. So to what extent do you apply design-based working already? You can use this as a student as a reflection tool. Like I said, the teachers, they will use it in giving feedback up forward. So what do we mean by that? Feedback, a question like, what was your goal? Feed up, what did you want to reach or do? And feed forward, what is the next step? I would like to make a clear note that this is not used to, this viewing framework is not used for to give marks or credits or anything like that. It's a tool to provide feedback and feedback only. I will make sure that the viewing framework will be uploaded on Basecamp so that you can get a closer look to the detailed version of the document. And in case you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Cheers.